Hey, my name is Connor, and welcome to Crypto Empire, where we dominate the crypto market. In this video, I'll be going over my top 5 artificial intelligence cryptocurrencies. Simply put, because artificial intelligence is here to stay, and AI is developing faster than ever before. So let's get right into the video, and let the gains be with you. So before we get into the top 5 artificial intelligence cryptocurrencies, it is very important to understand the current events that have recently taken place to cause such a big hype and boom in the artificial intelligence sector of the cryptocurrency market. In December of 2022, just a few months ago now, ChatGPT had its first big breakthrough into the world where millions of users flooded into this platform basically overnight, and the world suddenly took notice to artificial intelligence. Right here on my screen is actually ChatGPT 4. This was created by OpenAI. And essentially, in December of 2022, when the world really started to use this prompt-to-text AI model created by OpenAI, the artificial intelligence sector of the crypto market started to pick up. I'm going to show you a chart here of FET AI. FET is one of the top AI altcoins. I'll be going over it in this video. But essentially, over here on December 1st, the price of FET was around 6.5 cents. And then by February 8th, in a little over 2 months, the price increased by over 9x. It almost increased by 10 times in a little over 2 months. And this was a big hype boom, very similar to what we saw back in November of 2021 when Facebook changed their name to Meta and we saw all the metaverse and gaming cryptos take off. All right, the hype we're seeing in the market with AI does remind me a lot of that period in time of crypto with the metaverse and gaming. So we do need to be careful because a lot of the top AI coins that you see everywhere on social media actually really don't have much to do with AI at all. It is mostly speculation. A lot of people talking about these AI coins really are not doing their full due diligence because these AI coins really don't have that much to do with artificial intelligence. So with that being said, as we move forward through the video, I'm going to be giving my honest takes on these top AI coins and telling you exactly what I think about them. Now moving on, because of ChatGPT's success, again, this was created by OpenAI. They have been developing this for years now. Microsoft actually went ahead and signed a multi-billion-dollar partnership deal that's going to be taking place over multiple years, where they will be continuing to develop OpenAI and ChatGPT and also collecting a ton of data as well. So OpenAI ChatGPT has nothing to do with cryptocurrency. They really don't plan on incorporating blockchain technology into it at all at the current moment in time. So it's important to understand that. And also a very big popular AI image generation, right? This is prompt to text, but there's also image generation. I'm sure you've seen your friends on Instagram post their artificial intelligence avatar that looks 10 times better than they actually do in real life. Well, they used Midjourney for that. This is another very popular AI tool, AI protocol, but again, this has nothing to do with blockchain, nothing to do with crypto. These are simply big tech giant companies with billions and billions and billions of dollars of funding. And again, they really don't plan on using crypto. So a lot of the AI hype you see in crypto is all that. It's hype, it's speculation. But with that being said, let's get into the top 5 AI altcoins. And I will be explaining to you the coins that are actually using artificial intelligence technology and the ones that aren't actually using it as well. But before we do that, please consider subscribing to the channel. Your support does mean a lot. And also turn on all bell notifications so you don't miss any future videos. With that being said, the number 1 AI altcoin in my opinion is going to be FET, Fetch.ai. So FET is great because one, it has AI in its name, which is very good for the casual cryptocurrency investor who simply doesn't do any research and they just see AI in the name. But with that being said, FET is also a legit AI coin compared to a lot of the other things on the market. So currently FET is trading for 31 cents with a market cap of $332 million. And this is very close to the fully diluted market cap as well, which is good to see. Now the all-time high of FET is $1.17 that took place in the last bull run in 2021. So what is FET? Simply put, FET is artificial intelligence infrastructure. They are building a lot, and a lot of this is still in its very early development phases. This has a lot of work to do in order to really become usable in the real world and get massively adopted, like something like ChatGPT. It's still very far off from that. but they are building solid infrastructure to do so. So right now, FET AI does have autonomous agents, and this is autonomous software code acting on the behalf of human, organization, or machine actors. This is currently in beta testing. I have went over these autonomous agents in deep detail in my previous FET videos. I'll leave a card right here to the most recent one so you can really get a deep dive into the fundamentals of this project. But they do have autonomous agents. They also have co-learn, and co-learn is a shared machine learning model. And FET also has the token, of course, and this is basically used as the primary medium of exchange within the Fetch AI ecosystem. So if you want to pay for services provided by FET, you pay in FET. Very simply put, it's much like you use US dollars to buy services in the United States. And also they are building an ecosystem like they just said. So they have co-learn, they have Axum, which allows businesses to safely and securely connect data silos, improving their understanding via machine learning models and gain valuable insights to help optimize their business functions, etc. They have Atomics, which does allow stablecoin holders to earn yield through DeFi. So FET is also a layer 1 smart contract blockchain built on the Cosmos ecosystem. So a lot of these are actually just kind of smart contract DeFi protocols that can be deployed, or similar things can be deployed on Ethereum as well. But simply put, FET has a lot of work to do still. All right, I think FET is going to do well in the future, but I am very aware of the road that they have to go ahead and conquer and all of the things that they have to do and release in order for this project to really succeed. FET was incubated by Binance after the 2017 bull market, and they have an all-time high of $1.17. I think this project can reach multiple dollars in the future based off of speculation and hype alone, but if they can actually produce real protocols that get users, something like ChatGPT that actually has people coming back to it every single day and using it, then it has the potential to be huge. And I think their autonomous agents do have that potential, but again, it is very early on in that development, so they have a lot of work to do, simply put. But anyways, that is FET. Let's move on to coin number 2. Coin number 2 is another very solid AI project, one of the most solid ones in the crypto space, and that is Singularity Net with the ticker symbol AGIX. So right now, AGIX trading for 30 cents. The all-time high of this is 95 cents. This happened in 2018 when it first launched. It launched at the start of the bear market. And recently, AGIX has seen a huge run-up from December 2022, as we see here. On December 1st, it was trading for around 4 cents. It then went and peaked up at over 50 cents, right? So it had a huge run-up, went over 10x in around 2 months and a week, or 2.5 months. And again, this was all based off of the hype and speculation because of ChatGPT and things like Midjourney as well. But anyways, what is Singularity? Singularity is a decentralized AI network, and right now their main use case is actually artificial intelligence services. We are currently looking at Singularity's open marketplace, where anybody can go ahead and get access to artificial intelligence services. Now, this is very new and really does not compete to things like ChatGPT 4, Midjourney, etc. But it's a good start to things is how I would describe it. These services right now are not necessarily great. You'll see some of them have 5 stars but only 1 review. And the ones that have multiple reviews tend to not have 5 stars. But anyways, you can come to this marketplace and you can get access to these AI services. And this is the main use case at the current moment in time of Singularity Net. All right, I'm sure they will be incorporating a lot more over time, but this is certainly a good start. And I encourage you to come check this out on your own and look into it. But also, Singularity has an ecosystem with a lot of different partners in the crypto industry. All right, so if all of these different partners really start to use Singularity in their technology, it does have the potential to be huge. I think Singularity is a good AI crypto to DCA and accrue and accumulate over the course of this current bear market for the next bull run. I think it will do well in the future. And currently at 30 cents, if you can get it closer to 25 cents or even below 25 cents, I think that will be huge in the future, because I think this one does have the potential to multiply in the future as well. But anyways, AGIX is artificial intelligence coin number 2. Let's move on to coin number 3. And now we're going to get into the coins that really don't have a crazy lot to do with artificial intelligence, but the whole world seems to think they do. And coin number 3 is going to be the Graph GRT. So if you are a smart contract developer, an Ethereum developer, you're going to be using GRT every single day. All right, GRT is known as the Google of blockchains. Simply put, all it does is it indexes and it queries blockchain data very well. So this is very useful for crypto and blockchain developers. But in terms of artificial intelligence, it really is not doing too much in the AI space, and I'll explain that right now. But anyways, GRT is trading for 13 cents. The all-time high, this is $2.84. And GRT is widely used in the crypto industry. A lot of the major networks and major crypto coins out there are using the graphs technology, but not for artificial intelligence. We can see here on GRT's website, the graph is an indexing protocol for querying networks like Ethereum and IPFS. Anyone can build and publish open APIs called subgraphs, making data easily accessible. So yeah, again, this is coined as an AI crypto, but they really aren't using artificial intelligence. Maybe that will change in the future, but even still, I think GRT is going to be a huge winner next cycle, just because it is so widely used and adopted already in all the major blockchains and networks. So I highly encourage you to check out GRT. It's a very bullish coin in my opinion. It does make its way into my top 5 AI coin video, but it's not really an AI coin, if that does make sense. So anyways, that's GRT. Let's move on to coin number 4 for this video, and it's going to be Render, RNDR. Right now, Render trading for $2.21. As you see, the market cap of Render, $813.5 million, almost a $1 billion market cap. The all-time high of Render is $8.78. So is Render an AI crypto? No, it's really not an AI crypto. Let me explain. So what Render does is it's distributed GPU rendering on the blockchain. Rendering the metaverse is the term they use right on their website. So Render allows anybody with powerful graphics cards to lend their processing power to other users on the network, and by lending this processing power, the person who actually goes ahead and lends is rewarded with RNDR tokens. And this is not really used for artificial intelligence. It is used for things like 3D models, photos, videos, gaming, stuff like that. It's really not used for AI. This is up huge, mainly because of hype and speculation. If we look at the RNDR chart here, and we see this from the start of the year, if we take a forecast tool and pin this on January 1st to the highs over here, it did fairly well, right? As you see, it went from around 40 cents to $2.60. That's around a 6x in price, a little over a 6x in price. But this really is not much to do with artificial intelligence. It's up big off of people's speculation and their lack of due diligence. So when you see, it's like the game of telephone. When one person says, yeah, Render is a great AI coin, then the next person says, yeah, Render is the biggest AI coin in the industry. And it just keeps on spreading and spreading and spreading. And the actual message that was originally passed on just gets completely distorted. All right, so Render, not really an AI coin. It can be used for AI in the future, but be very careful when you see people talking that this is the best thing ever for artificial intelligence and crypto, because it's really not. It really has nothing to do with AI. But anyway, we'll make the video as coin number 4. Look into it, do your own research. Don't just take my word for it, but I did my research, and what I just said, I truly believe is correct. Anyway, let's move on to coin number 5 for the video. Coin number 5, it's going to be Ocean Protocol. All right, so Ocean Protocol trading for 35 cents, market cap of 152, almost $153 million. The all-time high of Ocean is $1.93. Ocean has been in development for quite a long time now. As you see, the chart does go back to 2019. It did fairly well in that 2021 bull market, got smashed super hard in this current bear market, and here it is now sitting at 35 cents. So what is Ocean Protocol? Ocean Protocol is simply a data marketplace. And we can also see here on the Ocean website that Ocean Protocol is a World Economic Forum technology pioneer. So it's a very well-connected project, and yeah, basically it's a data marketplace. You can buy and sell private data while preserving privacy, and this here is their data marketplace. Now the problem with the current version of Ocean Protocol is, again, really no artificial intelligence data is being traded here. It's mainly asset and commodity price data. As you see here, the highest via Ocean allocations, it's index volume, the BTC USDT order book, Ocean USDT order book, DeFi protocols, yield data, crypto projects funding, US gas, commodities, or gasoline, oil. So it really doesn't have too much to do with AI data at all right now. ChatGPT is not really using Ocean to buy data. You do need to pay in crypto as well, which for big tech giants, it's not really that appealing to them. So Ocean does have potential. I think it will do well for the next bull market. It's very well connected. And right now, Ocean does need a lot of work put into it to get up to par with the top big tech AI protocols like ChatGPT. All the crypto AI coins need that. They all need a lot of work to catch up to ChatGPT. And anyways, these are the top 5 AI altcoins. All of these were created well before the ChatGPT boom, which recently took place and made the world realize the power of artificial intelligence. Elon Musk was an early adopter, an early investor in ChatGPT and OpenAI, but basically they went ahead and they changed the code of this from open source to private code. And basically, Elon went ahead and left in 2018, I believe, for OpenAI. And Elon has said that he's nervous that AI has the power to take over the world, etc., etc., etc. Certainly a possibility, but it is in its very early stages right now. But anyways, the big tech giants are miles ahead of the blockchain and crypto AI protocols. It's very important to know that right now. But I think these AI coins like FET, Singularity, GRT, Render, Ocean, I think all these have the potential to do very well in the next bull market, 2024, 2025, based off of hype alone. And then if they can actually produce some more artificial intelligence protocols that are used by people, used by users every day, like I use ChatGPT 4 all the time, almost daily. If these crypto coins, crypto projects can create AI models that are used so frequently, like ChatGPT 4, then they have the potential to be the biggest crypto coins in the space. But that's not there right now at all. And before I end the video, I will share a few more newer AI coins. I'm not going to go deep into them at all, but just so that you can do your own research and look into them, because they are newer and they do have some potential to be big in the future. Again, this is not financial advice, this is for educational purposes only. Look into BitSense or Tau, and then also you can look into things like VAI, and another popular lower market cap AI coin is going to be something like Orion Chain. Look into these on your own time. They don't make my top 5 list, but they are artificial intelligence AI cryptos, much lower market cap. Check them out on your own. But I hope that this video explained to you the current state of cryptocurrency artificial intelligence projects. So in this video, we went over the top 5 AI crypto coins. I hope that you did enjoy this video and learned something new. If you did, make sure you let me know by smashing that like button down below. And if you were brand new to Crypto Empire and you're already subscribed to the channel, go ahead right now and smash that subscribe button down below and turn on all bell notifications so that you don't miss any future videos. And my name is Connor from Crypto Empire, and I will see you in the next video.